Hey everyone, welcome back to Error Genie. In today's video, I'll walk you through a fix for the unexpectedly exited error with the access violation code in Red Dead Redemption. Follow these simple steps, and we'll have you back in the game in no time. Step 1. Close MSI Afterburner and RivaTuner Statistics Server, RTSS. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl Shift Esc or by searching for Task Manager in the Start menu. Find MSI Afterburner in the task list. Right-click on it and select End Task. Next, locate RivaTuner Statistics Server RTSS. It may be labeled as RTSS.exe or RivaTuner. Right-click and End Task for this as well. Double-check that MSI Afterburner and RivaTuner are fully closed by checking the icons in the hidden system tray. Once done, try relaunching Red Dead Redemption. Step 2. Uninstall MSI Afterburner and RTSS if the issue persists. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps, or search for Uninstall in the Start menu. Locate MSI Afterburner and RivaTuner Statistics Server in the Apps list. Select Uninstall for each one and confirm. Restart your PC, then relaunch the game to see if this solves the issue. Step 3. Verify integrity of game files for Steam users. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on Red Dead Redemption and select Properties. Under Installed Files, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check for missing or corrupted files and replace them as needed. Once done, try opening the game again. Step 4. Reinstall Red Dead Redemption, only if other steps don't work. If none of the above steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the game. On Steam, go to Library, right-click on Red Dead Redemption, select Manage, then Uninstall. After uninstalling, reinstall the game and check if the issue is resolved. That's it. Following these steps should resolve the unexpectedly exited error with the access violation code. Let us know in the comments which method worked for you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more troubleshooting tips from Error Genie.